Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. Adishema, Mimobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're making broccoli stew. Yes, broccoli stew. Cook with love, enjoy with happiness. Let's go to the kitchen. Yes, so this stew, you can eat it by itself. It tastes so good. Okay, let's start with our chopped onions. Yes, chopped onions. Add your chopped fresh tomatoes. This is all-purpose seasoning. Gram masala is on my channel. Then this is my broccoli steamed and blend. Add a little bit salt. This is my baked chicken. Oh, look, I have some banku and tilapia waiting for me. You, it says now you add your broccoli. Now you add your broccoli to your tomato sauce. Okay, the stew is done. See, quick, easy, delicious, fantabulous. Yeah, so this is our broccoli stew. Try it, you'll love it. Cook with love, enjoy with happiness. From Glorious Sahabrasia Kitchen. Thank you very much for your love, your support. Please don't forget to give thumbs up, comments. Yes, the yam is on the stove here. Yes, with the Byron Bosso. But for the meantime, I have to enjoy my banku. Thanks for watching. Love you all.